Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed into the Google account you'll use to spend the balance. Open the Google Play app on your phone or visit Play. Google.com/store on a desktop browser. Once done, bring up the menu and choose Redeem. This is where you'll enter the 16-character code. Do this now. Don't skip directly to purchases, because redeeming adds balance to your account, which is safer than entering card details at checkout. Next, tap Redeem and carefully type the 16-character code exactly as shown. Capitalization and hyphens usually aren't required, but spacing matters. After confirming, the funds are added to your Google Play balance. You can also select use for specific purchase during checkout. However, adding to balance keeps it ready for apps, games, movies, or subscriptions. Make sure your account's country matches the card's region. Otherwise, the code will. Finally, choose an app, game, or subscription and proceed to checkout. Select Google Play Balance as the payment method and confirm the purchase. For subscriptions, make sure auto-renew will draw from your balance or add a backup payment method to avoid interruptions. If the code doesn't work, don't panic. Double-check the characters, confirm your account's country, and wait a few minutes in case of processing delay. If problems persist, contact Google Play support with the card details and purchase receipt.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.